Chris. We're with Dacus Auto Body in Central Kansas, and we use Carbeat to track all of our production and all the cars that we're working on. We're a medium-sized shop. We have 17 employees. We work on about 20 to 25 cars a week, and we like Carbeat to help us keep track of where all the cars are in the repair process. It kind of holds the employees accountable for what their jobs are for the day and what they need to be doing. So we started out, we had a pretty big problem because we had cars sitting around in our lot that we weren't really sure what was going on with them, or maybe we would forget about them for a couple hours or a day. We just had too many cars and nobody really keeping track of exactly what was happening with every job. So we made a manual magnetic board with stripe tape and magnets, and we put the customer's name, and then we tried to track the progress with magnets across the board. And that was great, but that required a lot of manual moving around. So then when the Carbeat program came out, we just thought it made the whole process a lot easier and smoother. Our employees can track their own progress and move the cars themselves. It's just really been great for our shop to help us track progress. Every morning we have a team meeting with all the employees in the whole shop, and we usually have some sort of snack, so that gets everybody excited to show up. And then we just talk about, we go through from back to front, and we talk about all the cars that are here, and we kind of get an update on every car and what's going on with it. We let the employees kind of weigh in. If it's in the paint department, then the painters try to kind of let us know when they think they'll be done or if there's any issues with it. We have a parts manager, and he gets to track, he's responsible for all the jobs that are in the waiting parts column, and it just kind of helps everybody know what's going on. We use these filters up here for what's past due, and then we kind of talk about what's past due and why it's past due, what we can do about those.
Over here, like Chris is on charge,
So our cards are colored by tech who's working on the car. So we get to choose all the orange cards, and we can see that our tech Chris has got these cars and what's going on with all of those. And the guys like that too, so they can see all of their jobs in one place and kind of know what they're responsible for. So
we like to use it for planning throughout the week.
The planning board shows everything that's coming in the future. So tomorrow we can see that we have 5 vehicles showing up in different ranges of dollar amounts. It shows us what insurance company it is, or if it's self-pay. We usually talk about that during our morning meetings too, so that the techs can be prepared if they have a lot of teardowns and blueprinting to do, and kind of know what's coming in. And it's nice visual too to see kind of how busy we might be on certain days, what are good days to drop, and
it allows
days to avoid.
everybody to see the schedule.
When customers call in and look for an update on their vehicles, it's nice that the girls in the office can just pull it up on their computer and know exactly what part of the repair process the car is in, instead of having to run out to the shop and find whatever tech might be working on it and ask for an update.
Right.